tayo sa Mini Japan dito sa Ganyan. Marami din silang choices. Meron silang Korean fried chicken, which snow chicken, 2395. Ayan. Tapos bento box kaya me. Maghati na namin yung sa snow chicken. Thank you. Have some maybe sushi. Tea. Stainless po. Nasa metal.
It's good recommendation, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Hopefully enjoy.
Yeah,
Everybody enjoy.
thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, your staff. Huh?
Take it. Looks good, oh. Chicken, oh. Snow chicken. Order tayo ng Tim Hortons. Ano to? 9835.
Okay.
Hindi iba, diretso lang tapos takbo lang.
Si Roy naman nag-tiktok.
Kaya nga, alam mo, tutumba.
Minsan madadrag na lang niya yung yung harap. Kasi nagtitiktok siya eh. Hindi daw siya nagtitiktok na. Hindi mo naman nalalaman. Hindi mo nakikita yung sarili mo. Sabi ni Sharon, doon sa Kamloops, kasi ang mahal ng mga hotel doon, tag 400.
Ang alin?
Sa Kamloops, next month,
Mahal lang
hotel.
hotel?
Sabi niya, Airbnb daw tayo. Share na lang.
Pwede lang.
Yeah, pwede rin. Sige, sabi ko. Kasi, Sabado, Linggo, Monday, either may laro pa ang Monday.
Yan pala, no? Pag may Amazon Prime ka, pwede kang, pagka yung konti lang yung storage mo sa iPhone mo, pwede mong gamitin yun para unlimited photos backup. I don't use Google Photos kasi 5 gig lang eh. Pati kasama na yung photos and video. And then, pag napuno mo na, they gonna ask you to upgrade. So, you have to pay. So, this one, kung may Prime ka sa Amazon, order ka naman ng Amazon, you can download the app Amazon Photos and then it's unlimited backup ng photos. Well, it's not for video. So, just turn off the video. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano nag-exceed na yun ng 5 gig yung sa video eh. Pero I just don't know how to delete the videos in the Amazon videos yung sa app. So if anybody knows, then let me know. Okay. My dear. Hi, dear. Hi, dear. Hello. Hello. Hi, dear. Do you know you can buy real estate but not to deal with tenants? Yan yung REITs, REIT sa stocks or Wealthsimple. You can buy REITs Yun yung Ryukan, SRU.UN. Yun yung mga paborito ko. Meron ding RIT. I think it's Canadian Real Estate. Meron sa mga commercial, meron din sa mga apartment buildings, ganyan. So yun, they are supposed to meet ang interest dividend yield ng mga investor doon sa real estate, sa REITs. So isa yun sa mga paborito ko, but it's not as yung pagkakitaan mo as it's eventually it's going up dividend wise, kasi minsan yung capital niya, yung share niya, price niya, it's going up and down sometimes, right? But yung dividend yield niya is they have to meet yung expectation ng dividend yield, kung ano yung nandun. Yun yung inaano nila ng sinesend nila as income. Yan. So REITs, I have a Wealthsimple link that you can use. You can get $25 if you sign up, and then you can use that for your taxes too, right? Tapos pagka nag-transfer ka ng from other bank, your bank, your account, and then they can match it at 3%. I think it's minimum 25k sa other bank na transfer mo, para tapos i-cover nila yung withdrawal fee o transfer fee na i-charge sa'yo ng bank. Si Esme na-charge ng $100 sa kanyang bangko. Nag-transfer niya yung kanyang RSP sa kanyang bangko. So hindi niya na ano yung threshold na 25k pag-transfer. So na-charge siya. So yeah, it's sayang yung 100, but I think it's worth it kasi kikita ka within a couple of months, instead of just putting it on RSP sa bangko mo. It's just sitting as cash, it's not making money. Nilalagay, maybe it's on high yield interest savings account, but considered na RSP, but I don't know how that one works. Because sometimes you only get a couple of cents, right? So we have the ability to access yung mga stocks, REITs, yan yung mga ETF, index funds, exchange traded fund. Ang kaibahan ng exchange traded fund sa index fund, they're a group of companies, but yung exchange traded fund ETF is like you can trade it during the market hours. Yung index funds is the price after market hours, so you can buy it, and I think there's a minimum investment sa index funds. Tayo sa Cornell. Ito yung price ng kanilang mga pho. Chicken kinuha natin, 1850 medium. Yan. Tapos may tea tayo. Yan pa yung kanilang menu. Signature soup. Ito dapat to. Pork wonton. Tsaka yung 2050 yung noodle soup, deep fried wonton, iced coffee $6, green tea $3, chicken noodle